An SSN file stores diagnostic and repair session data from Norton SystemWorks. A log of what Symantec's maintenance tools found and fixed on your system. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you interpret or manage these session log files. I always keep an advanced utility on hand for SSN files that resist standard opening. I'll introduce you to this master key later in the guide. SSN files are session log files created by Norton SystemWorks recording system diagnostic results, repair operations, and optimization activities performed during maintenance sessions. They store timestamps, scan results, fix actions, and system health metrics for review. Norton SSN files use a proprietary binary format, storing session metadata, including scan type, duration findings, and applied corrections. They record disk diagnostic results, registry cleaning operations, and system optimization actions performed by Norton Utilities components. For full compatibility with SSN, use the proprietary Norton SystemWorks, developed by Symantec, now NortonLifeLock. The file requires specific permissions and handlers that Windows does not easily configure. Windows cannot display metadata references, so specialized apps are needed to understand the file. Open the menu by right-clicking your SSN file and choosing Open With. Test Norton SystemWorks first if it is visible. If not, select another application. Different tools have different strengths with specific formats. If your SSN file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. The solution is often simpler than you think. If the SSN file is still stubborn, look for one of these 3 basic errors. Use this quick reference list to check them now. First, viewing session data. Open Norton SystemWorks or Norton Utilities and navigate to the History or Session Log section. Select your SSN file from the session list to view detailed diagnostic results, including problems found, repairs made, and system health assessments from that session. Next, managing session files. SSN files accumulate over time and can consume disk space. Navigate to the Norton SystemWorks data directory and delete older SSN files you no longer need. Keep recent sessions for reference when troubleshooting recurring system issues on your computer. Finally, alternative access. If Norton SystemWorks is no longer installed, SSN files have limited utility outside the application. Open the file in a hex editor to inspect raw session data, or simply delete old SSN files as they serve no purpose without the originating Norton software installed. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. If you know someone else struggling with this file, please share this video. A like and subscribe goes a long way.